You guys want to wave goodbye to the house?
Oh shoot, got a blast.
It's so cute in here.
We've been out here 5 minutes.
Maya.
I mean, I literally am an alien.
We made it. It's so cute and pink. Hello everyone, welcome to today's travel vlog. I am so excited to bring you guys along with me this weekend. I am going to Galveston. I'm actually working with an Airbnb there, and it is the cutest thing I have ever seen. So I'm excited to show y'all. It is about 2:15. My friends Bailey and Caroline are on their way to meet me here. We're all meeting at my apartment, and then I'm driving everyone to Galveston. So we're taking my little car, and I'm super excited. And then I have a surprise for both of them. So my friend Natalie from college, she's in town, and she's like, I want to see you guys. And she actually put us in a group message like earlier this week, like, I want to see y'all. And so we were trying to figure out dates, and like nothing was really working out because we were gonna be out of town this weekend and everything. And I actually saw her the other day, and I was like, do you want to join us on this trip this weekend? So she's like, wait, yes, that'd be so fun. So Natalie's actually surprising them that she's coming. So Caroline and Bailey have no idea that Natalie's coming. So I'm really excited, but yes, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me on this fun little beach trip. We're just going today through Sunday, so it's super quick. I've actually already put my suitcase and everything in my car besides like my food and drinks that I have over there. But this is the outfit for the car ride. It's from Walmart, my little pink set that I've been obsessed with ever since I got it. And then I'm wearing my pink, yellow, and purple sneakers that are from Altered State, which they don't sell anymore, and I can't find them anywhere else, and I'm really upset about it, but it's okay. I'm wearing this fun little necklace. I thought it was beachy, you know, summer beachy, colorful necklace. And then these pink earrings, and I don't remember where I got this from. I am bringing a whole bag full of stuff. There's like English muffins in here, apples, oranges, little snacks, and then I also am bringing my Casa Azul tequila sodas. I have like 16 of them because they sent me so many. I'm like, you know what? This is the perfect opportunity to bring that. Bringing those fun things, but yeah, that's what is in this bag. It's like a refrigerated bag from Trader Joe's. I love it. And I'm like, so are y'all bringing like a suitcase or like a duffel bag? Like, how are y'all packing y'all's things? Because I have my suitcase, and then the thing that's like really annoying, it's like a huge basket that holds all of my like car necessities. It's kind of really like in the way. So we're gonna be packed tight in my car, but you know what? It's fine. It's like a 4 or 5 hour, it's a 4-hour drive, but with stops and everything, it might be like 5. I've been needing the beach so bad, and I know it's Galveston, but the last time I was in Galveston, I was like 8, and my dad took me there. So I haven't been there since. I don't know what it's like. It'll be an interesting time, but I'm super stoked to show you guys the Airbnb that we're staying at. We made it! It's so cute and pink! Y'all, the owner of this house, and like she owns a lot of other properties around here, adorable, nicest little human ever. But look how cute! This is like the living room area. We've got Carol up in here. Hey, girly. Not the living room, the dining room. Look at the rug. I love. This is a little walkway, and then it goes into the pink. Literally everything is pink in here. Oh my god!
Natalie's like, oh, we're Barbies.
We really are. Caroline and I got the memo.
Hey, my shoes are
the entire, wow, pop off. Nice. Got the living room, it's all pink. It's so cute. All right, so we walked to Pleasure Pier because our house is literally right over there, but they just shut it down. So now we are trying to figure out another plan. I don't really know what we're doing. How's my hair already poofing up? We've been out here 5 minutes.
I'm off of my house.
We made it to the beach. It is so windy. There's seaweed everywhere. Oh, you want a boogie board? Yeah, we can bring it back tomorrow. Fun. Look at the Ferris wheel. Oh my god, it's so humid. My lens is foggy. Good morning, friends. Happy Saturday. We are ready for the beach. I got the swimmy on from Amazon. Natalie and I are twinning. Caroline's getting her stuff together. We each have our own bed. It's so nice. Hey, friends. We're about to go get some brunch and then head to the beach. Oh. But I'm not bringing my camera, or my camera could possibly break from the sand. So I'll be vlogging.
Can we do an OTD?
Absolutely. We can do it downstairs.
Okay.
It's so cute in here. Outfit of the day. Rolling. I mean, this lighting is incredible. I would do a lot of things to have lighting like this. This bag I got from Market, I'm so sorry. And the vendor doesn't exist anymore, so that's really unfortunate. These shorts are from Target from like 3 years ago. And then my swimming top is Amazon. And that is it.
Your store cut?
Yes, it is.
My cover-up romper is Target.
Oh yeah, because I
My green bathing suit is Walmart. My shoes, sandals are Target. I think my jewelry is also Target. I'm a big Target girl.
My men's shirt, I got at Uptown Cheapskate. I think it was like $8. My shorts are men's Wranglers that I cut into shorts. I would do it. My bikini top, Natalie, is it from Shein? And then I have different bottoms on though. My bottoms are white, super cute. They're from Space. And my shoes, my cute brown and pink sandals are Steve Madden.
Natalie. Hello. This is my great grandma's purse, actually. This is from a little boutique. These shorts I thrifted, and the top is also from Amazon. Live, laugh, love. And that is it. Now we're gonna get some photos, and then head to brunch and get some food, and then get fried in the sun.
Situation got upset when I stepped on a memory thought. I did it to myself. That I have you had to break free from the minefield that you are. Bum, bum, bum. You let it burn, sharp on the fuse. The table stand, the screws were loose. I guess you had life. I wish you fall out from the window, take a bad trip to the ground. Just before you break a bone.
These baby hairs, I mean, I literally am an alien.
All right, we got some pics, good to go, and now we're gonna actually finally go get food after 5 hours of being awake.
You've been away for 5 hours. Nobody.
No, I haven't been awake for 5 hours. That was so dramatic. We are on our way to Miller's Seawall Grill. We're all starving. Just got done with brunch slash lunch. Oh shoot, got a blast. I'm so full, but we're about to go hang on this lovely beach. Bailey's getting in the water. She's braving it. On a scale of 1 to cold, no, she said it's cold.
With the ice.
I know.
You feel like magic. Just one touch, my God, I gotta have it. You feel like magic. You know you feel like magic. You know you feel like magic. You know you feel like magic, magic. Dance in the living room, can't stop looking at you. The way you're moving, I'm watching all of my.
Hello friends, it's golden hour. Chilling out on the porch, getting some content photos, and we have me looking at my watch that's non-existent. Dinner reservations at 7:30 at number 13. That's cute. Lovely.
I didn't still on the camera once.
That is shocking. She's slacking. Okay, let's close this gate. But we have reservations at the steakhouse called Number 13. Super excited. Gonna get some drinks and appetizers. Oh, I forgot I was wearing my flamingo earrings. They're from Samoon.
I was about to say.
And then this dress is from Market. Sorry. Maddie is a god, and we are at this amazing restaurant, Number 13. She got us a reservation, and so look at how cute it is. I don't know if this is important or not. So Maddie got us lovely reservations, and we're sitting on the patio. I wasn't even looking at that angle, but we're sitting on the patio. It's gonna be so fun. I'm losing my voice. I'm not really sure why. That should be really good for my interview on Monday. But yeah.
To light things up with. Ooh. All right, so what we have here is a number 13 version of s'mores. Whoopsie. And I'm gonna light the rosemary. It's gonna smoke like campfire. And then I'm gonna roast some marshmallow on top. You've got homemade salty caramel gelato, house-made graham cracker cake, and a chocolate ganache. And the chocolate cake is equally delicious. The rosemary smells really nice.
Oh yeah.
Heyo. We're back from dinner, which was freaking great. Don't you feel less full after that debloating exercise?
A little bit. A little bit. I can function.
It could be placebo, but
either way, yes.
or just because we've had some time. But it is storming or about to storm, and so now we're storm watching.
I mean, I hear it.
Cute.
Look at the two nuggets on their phones, just not even paying any mind.
Bye, house.
Bye, house. You guys want to wave goodbye to the house?
I'm thinking we get the video of me, I guess.
What do you want me to do?
It's just gonna be a video of me just being like,
Oh, okay. So you want me across the street, or?
yeah.
Okay, yeah, that was good.
Hello friends, we have officially made it to, wow, what's happening here? My hair. We're eating brunch / lunch at Fisherman's Wharf. Super exciting. I'm starving.